We live in a communication paradox. While technology connects us in more ways than at any time in history, people can sometimes feel isolated, and self-service can seem like cut-rate service. This might be why insurance agents, who know that over 30% of their business comes through personal contact, are slow to adopt social web-based solutions to interact with insurance companies and their clients.
But when used effectively, both internally and externally, social networking and collaboration tools can help strengthen customer relationships, speed complex processes, increase employee productivity, and ultimately drive sustainable growth. By providing agents with up-to-the-minute claims, underwriting and policy information over a dedicated web portal, they can update claims, submit new business applications, and revise policy data quickly and easily.
So agents can respond to their clients' needs almost immediately and reduce turnaround on renewals and new job submissions from weeks to just days. And by providing a richer, more personal web experience for insured members, agents can dramatically reduce the time they spend on the phone answering routine questions, which enables them to give more individual attention to clients with complex needs. Adopting a holistic social business strategy can also help increase premium growth by up to 25%, which can have a big impact on agent loyalty.